Alright, what's up? You already know what it is. We're in Luoyang. We're doing vlogs. Today's gonna be a special one. Call it a special episode. We've seen a good bit of stuff in Luoyang. We've seen some gardens, we've seen the streets, we've seen the bikes, see how it works. Now we're gonna get a different perspective. Something that most people won't get to see when they get here, alright? So, give you a bit of background. I kind of hinted it a little bit in the videos. We saw this shop here. Yeah, that's right. Well, I kind of splashed a little bit of money. It was kind of necessary because I needed it, well, I wanted it. Anyway, cue the B-roll. And my SD card is full. Oh, it's so annoying. Oh, I was getting such a nice shot and it just went, ugh, dead. Okay, so, mall is right there. See, check it out. It's like, well, let's just zoom in a bit. So see that little shopping center, like right there. Yeah, or like that right there. Yeah. So that's like the closest mall. It's the only mall. Well, there's another one, but it's miles away. Anyway, gonna go get an SD card. Keep flying, yeah, because what the hell else are you going to do on a Thursday afternoon with low lectures? You just fly everywhere, yeah. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, you've seen this mall before. It's a place where I dropped my iPhone into a boiling pot of water. I'm going to see if I can find a card. I'm very doubtful, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, shop number 1. Let's see how we get on. Okay, no joy in that shop, but the dude was like, there's no way you're going to get one in the shopping centre. But thankfully he gave me Google Maps and said, this is where you need to go. So, let's go there. Okay, no joy in there. That's like a proper market with loads of rip-off stuff. I'm using my iPhone at the moment because there's no way I'm taking out my Sony with my lovely lens on it and having someone pickpocket me. Yeah, there's another mall up the road I'm going to check out and hopefully that mall will have what I need. Alright, success, got one. When I say got one, I got something I've absolutely no idea what it's called. Gigastone, don't know if you can see that. 32 gigs. That should get me flying for another 20 minutes or so. After that, I'm just going to go back and dump my cards because this is a bit ridiculous. I need food. I'm going to go eat. Alright, so I got some food and I'm going to head back to the hotel. Well, actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to head back to the lake and start shooting some more drones, so depending on what my battery is like on my phone, because mine that drops so easily. Okay, scrap that plan. My phone's on like 19%. That's not going to work for the drone. So, what the plan is, I'm going to be doing a spaghetti bridge competition with my students, and I need to get spaghetti, 20 kilos. So, I'm meeting up with Roger later on. We're going to go get some spaghetti. Yeah, so Roger comes to me now. Says when I'm ready, let's go. So he's going to come to the hotel. So, see you back in the hotel. And I'm back in the hotel. Oh, it's so hot today. Oh my god. It's like 33 degrees. Let me just change this t-shirt real quick. Okay, waiting on Roderick. As soon as he gets here, gotta go to the supermarket, get 20 kilos of pasta. They're gonna be like, what the hell are you trying to do? Start up an Italian restaurant. But you're listening, it's gonna be a bit of fun. Once Roderick gets here, well, we don't really have to wait, do we? Alright, Roderick's here. Let's get some pasta. Alright, we got to the mall. We found a Haagen-Dazs store. It's like 30 degrees out or something like that. So, yeah, there's no better way to cool down on a hot day with some creamy Haagen-Dazs ice cream. This is Roderick's first time trying Haagen-Dazs. What do you think?
It's first time, I like it.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Yeah.
Can't beat it. Anyway, on to the spaghetti. problem. We're in China and we're looking for spaghetti. So, hang on a sec. Oh, we found it. Okay. So we had a problem. We didn't think we could find spaghetti because it was literally nothing but noodles. And Roderick to the rescue. We just found spaghetti. Well, at least what looks like spaghetti. If it isn't spaghetti, well, we're just going to use it. Yeah. So, yeah, 20 kilos of spaghetti coming up. I don't know if we have 20 kilos here, though. Okay, next problem. They don't have enough spaghetti in China. Well, in this shop anyway. So we're waiting for it. Now we have to use consistent stuff, man. We're waiting for the assistant to come along and get us more spaghetti. We need 28 packets of spaghetti, which is a bit ridiculous. All right, to update the running commentary. She's gonna go weigh all the pasta first. I think we have, it's like 11 point something kilos. So we're just gonna adjust the group sizes in the class and we should be good to go. Like, they're really excited, it's gonna be fun. It's always nice to do something different when you're in engineering. It's like, you can just look at numbers all day, but when you're making bridges out of spaghetti, it's just good crack. Who's looking forward to making a spaghetti bridge? Are you? Yeah, he's on the phone with his head of engineering. He's not a good one to mess. Alright, that's a bit more respectable. Okay, so I'm gonna head across the road. That's where the lecturers are staying. It's like a 5-star hotel. It's not bad. It's actually really sick compared to this hotel. But yeah, gonna go over, have some beers. And that's probably it.
Tell me you love me.